To use our learning platform on your mobile device, you can download and use the Moodle mobile app. Simply search within your App Store and install the Moodle generic app. Make sure you select the correct app with this image. The Moodle app is free to install and use. Once installed, you will need to point the app to the WorkSafe Learning portal. Open the app and enter the site address as shown here. Once connected to our site, you will be presented with the login screen as here. Enter your login credentials, which will have been supplied to you separately. These login details are the same regardless of if you are logging in with a web browser or the mobile app. When you have successfully logged into the platform, you will be taken directly to the My Courses page. Here your allocated courses will be visible. Simply click on the course to begin. You will be taken directly into the course, starting with the Welcome page. Menu navigation can be accessed by clicking the burger menu button in the bottom right-hand corner. Good luck with your course. If you have any problems with anything related to our learning platform, please contact the office via email or telephone. We hope your experience with our learning platform is able to assist with your course.